Alright, remember, let's go for this one now. Last one, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, this one, it made you to dance. Ne? Yeah. It was going jab, 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 jab on your brain. It made you to scratch, 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 scratch. Right, let's see. So this one, if I receive this one, I would go right for my exponent. I'm going to start with my alphas. So start with my 3x. Then what do? I go 2, then I go 3 to the 1. Then I'm done. Then I go 3x again. Go 3x from that other one. Then I have my 3. Okay. So I can start with the 3 squared and then I come with a negative 3. You see when you get used to it, how fast you can be. Then you sort it. I start with my alphas again. Okay. Then I go. What did I follow? I followed with a 2, isn't it? Okay. I'll do a 2 squared. Then I'll do a 3 to the negative 1. Then I'm sorted, isn't it? Then I go again my 3 to the x. Then I go my 3, which is what? Which is 3 by 3 by 3, 27, 3 by 4. Then I'll have a 3 to the negative 4. Remember. What happened there, member? What happened? Don't know what you did. Right, member, please be careful. No? Avoid doing this because you have what? You have an operation there. So just be careful. You'll see as we do others. So rather do what? Rather factorize so that you are left with only the remainders inside. So you'll have a 2 by 3, and then what will you have now? You will have a 3 to the 2 and 3 to the negative 3. You've factorized, isn't it? Okay. So you are left with only the numerals, the numbers now. Then you come to the bottom, you say, okay, can see my common factor 3 to the x. And then this side I'll be left with what? With a 2 by 3 to the negative 1. So what did they do here? They made you dizzy. They made you go jab, jab, jab. Because they did what? They gave you the previous challenges which did not have what? Which did not have these operations. So you were able to move around. Yeah, it takes you back to grade 9. What is a term? Is it because it has too many things, or is it because there's an operation? Now, here I will have, these ones are sorted. I will have my 6 there. Then I will have what? I will have my 3 to the negative 1. Remember, it's a plus. Got lost. Say I'm lost, yeah. Right. Mathematics. Like it. So here you can do what? You can say this is a 2, this is a 3. So you can, oil and water. Ne? So what am I going to do? I'm going to do this. I'm going to say 2 over 3 because it is a what? It is a negative, make it positive. Then I have this situation now. So even this one, I can make it this way. Now, you can go to your calculator, but the same would have said, no calculator. Take marks if you just go to the calculator. So you will have a 6 over 3 No, you see, I also almost made a mistake. So it's not a multiplication. So it is a 6 and a third. So I will have a 6 plus 1 over 3. Do you get me? Do you get me? Then I'll have a negative 1 over 3. This is the 3 over 3. Yeah, I'll have a negative 1 over 3. I say, why? Because, just told you. Now, here, what will I have? I will have a mixed number. I make it into a, what is it? I make it into a improper, ne? Yeah. See, taking you back to grade 9. Maths so easy. Makes you to know your maths so that one day when you become a professor, you're better than me. See, we all make the next generation better. Me, got a degree. My father didn't have a degree. Then you were taught by me, the teacher. You become a professor. So here I'll have a 18, isn't it? Yeah, I'll have an 18. So when I'll have an 18, say, what are you doing? I'm making this. Grade 8 and 9. Same pace. What will I do? I will say 6 over 1. 1 goes there 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 1. So I'll have a 19 over 3. Then what will I have now? I will have a negative 1 over 3 there. Be careful. Don't just go to the calculator. The cell will penalize you. Then I'll have a negative 19. Right, I hope I'm all right. Here, inverse. Yeah, I'll have a 19 over 3 multiplied by what? This is a 1 over 3. I tip it. It will become a 3 over 1, which is negative, isn't it? So I'll have a negative 19. Do you agree with me, member? I forgot that, what is it? I forgot the, that review that I did for you, whether it was like this for you or not. But you got mixed up, isn't it? Okay. Right. When you have time in your test, you leave it like this. You finish the others, you come back and you check. Did I do everything correct? Then you go back and you say, okay, this is my 3 to the x, this is my 2, and then this is my 3 to the 1. Then you sort it, isn't it? Then you say, this is my 3 to the x, and then you say 3 squared, you say 3 to the negative 3, sorted, okay? This is the 3x from the first one at the bottom. Then what do I have? I have a 4, isn't it? A 4 gives me a 2 squared, and then that 3 to the negative 1 comes from the negative exponent in our left side at the bottom, isn't it? Then I have a 3 to the x, which is correct. Then I have a 3 to the 4. Then I will have a what? And I'll have a 3 to the negative 4. Okay. Then I say, okay, I'm happy with that step. Then I look here, factorize 2 by 3, 3. Then I'll have what? Negative 1, isn't it? Which is there. Okay. Then I have a 6, which is there. Okay, I'm sorted. I'm happy with the top. Then I will have a, factorize that. I have a 2, and I have a 3 to the negative 1. Then I have a 3 to the 0. And the 3 to the 0 is what? It's a 1, isn't it? Okay. Then I'm sorted. then what do I have now? Here at the bottom, I did what? Oh, then you say, Aish, I'm happy that I did something, something proper. I finished my other work and then I came back to check if I did everything correctly. So this 2 squared will be a what? Will be a 4. Shoo, remember. So 2 squared over 3 is a 4 over 3, isn't it? Okay, let's see what happens now. So I'll have a 4 over 3, which is what? Which is 1 1/3. Remember. So I'll be left with a positive 1 over 3. You are wondering what I'm talking about, member, isn't it? This one, it's a 4 over 3. So this one will be 4 over 3 will be 1 and 1 over 3. And then this will be a 1, isn't it? So if I say 1 and 1 over 3, what will I be left with? I'll be left with 1 over 3. So there is the first mistake that I'm seeing. Then I say, okay, here I'm sorted. I'll go back and check again. And remember, you are using your calculator, so you would have put all of this in a calculator so that you confirm the number that you must finish with. Okay, so as soon as you arrive at a different answer, you go back and check. Me, I'm checking from my habit. Okay, so I've checked my 4 over 3 and now have my negative 1. So it means here I have a 6 and a 1 over 3, which is fine. So that 19 over 3 was fine. Then I have a negative 1 over 3. So here it's going to be a positive 1 over 3. You see, you don't need to scratch everything. Then I will have a positive there. Remember, then everything is sorted here. Okay, then I'll have a not a negative here, so I'll have a positive 3, isn't it? Since we have a positive, I didn't put my multiplication dot there. Then this cancel. Remember, there is my final answer. So then I go back to the other ones. Okay, then I go back to the other ones and I check these ones. I go into my calculator, I put this and check if it's correct. I go to this one and I put in the calculator. Where was it? From there, isn't it? Okay, I put it in the calculator from there. Then I know what my answer is. Then I try to show the examiner that I didn't go straight into the calculator, I didn't cheat. What did I do? The examiner will want to see whether I know that if I'm simplifying, I subtract my bases, my exponents to be left with whatever is that difference. And the difference is a 3, but it is at the bottom. With your train choo-choo, you would have got that. Then you would write it. So don't go straight into a calculator when you get here. Okay, simplify first. Even if you go into a calculator here, the SIR can't penalize you. Can't penalize you. How does the SIR or the MEM know that you don't know that this is an 8? They don't know. Okay. Remember, I think I am happy with what I've done here, and I hope it will serve you well in your other challenges that you will meet, and you'll practice more and more. You'll try to acquaint yourself with this method, see if it makes sense. Otherwise, stick with your train, but make sure now if you stick with your train, try to do what? When you write these, as you do the subtractions, or the additions. Yeah, let's say the additions. Where was I? This one I took it from then. Do these alphabets, leave those numbers. Then go at the bottom and see if there's a 3 with an alphabet, then you do it. Then they'll be next to each other. So you'll have a 4, A, 2A, then that 5 will be what? Will be next there. And then that A will also be next there. But remember, you must change your signs. So that's why I don't like this. Okay. Anything else to add, member? I don't think there's anything. Me, I'm happy. I think we can go to sets now and start preparing for our investigation or assignment, whatever it is that they will give you this term. Then we will meet again in the next, next lesson. If I see that this video is going to be too long because it's the first one and I'm explaining too much, I will separate them and put them into 3 different videos. Okay. Otherwise, hope we are happy together, and I'm looking forward to stay with you until the end of the year. I want you to get that 70 and be the professional that you want to be. At the end of the year, you apply, already write your June exam for grade 12, your trial exam, your final exam, and you know that I am sorted. I already have a student number and I've already been provisionally accepted at Varsity. Say talking too much, eh? Yeah, talking say. Right, let me go jab in the editing of this video now. Okay. All right, member. Thank you for becoming my member. Cheers.